Students, let's learn about geometrical construction, standard 7th, first chapter, and this is the first part. If you see second part of this chapter, you can see the description given below in this video, and in the description there is a link. Click on that link and you can see second part of this chapter. In the previous class we learned about point, segment, line, ray and angle. In the standard 7th we also study about angle bisector. We study angle bisector in previous class also, but here it is necessary to study angle bisector because of the property of angle bisector of triangle here is given. We study about this activity, the property of angle bisector of triangle, so it is necessary to study about angle bisector. So we first learn about angle bisector. For that, this is the angle ABC, and in this angle angle ABC is 60 degree, and here ray BO divides angle ABC into two equal parts. So measure of angle ABO and measure of angle OBC is 30 degree. Thus we can say ray BO is the angle bisector of angle ABC. Here ray BO is the angle bisector. From that information or from this explanation we can say ray BO is the angle bisector of angle ABC. Students, this is the theoretical explanation. We can see practically how to draw angle bisector of triangle. In this video, let's see the video. Friends, let us see how to draw an angle bisector using compass. In previous class we study angle bisector, how to draw angle bisector, so I don't explain it in details. First we draw a ray BC, and using these instruments, this is called protractor. Center of protractor put on point B, and I draw measure of angle 60 degree. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. This is the angle having measure 60 degree. Here we take point A. ABC is the measure of angle 60 degree. You can draw any angle having any measures. I draw angle ABC which has measure 60 degree. Now we have to bisect this angle with the help of this instrument. This is called compass. Before bisect this angle, we take precaution is that these two ends of compass are in same position or equal in position. Now this iron point of compass put on the point B. Before that we take convenient distance in these 2 points and put this point on the point B and draw an arc on the ray BA and ray BC. Now we give the name these points P, Q. Now with the help of compass we take same distance as we draw an arc on these two arms, or take a distance as equal to PQ or greater than half of PQ. This is the half distance of PQ and this is greater than half of. If you take less than half of PQ, we cannot get intersecting point inside the angle when we draw arc. So it is necessary to take greater than half of distance PQ or same as PQ. I take greater than half of distance PQ and put iron end of compass at point P and draw first arc inside the angle ABC, and taking same distance put iron point of compass at point Q and draw second arc which intersect the arc before we draw. We get point inside angle ABC. This point we give name O. Now join the point B and O. We join point B and O. Now our angle bisector is ready. Here BO is the angle bisector of angle ABC. Here angle ABO and angle OBC are equal because ray BO divides the angle ABC into two equal parts. Are they and form two angles having equal measures? Are they have equal measures or are they congruent? Yes, the answer of this question is yes, because BO divides angle ABC into two equal parts. If we confirm that what we use this protractor. By using this protractor we identify that these two angles are equal or not. Now I put this protractor on this angle and you see that now you see measure this BO ray BO match at 30 degree point at 30 degree. Therefore measure of angle ABO is 30 degree and measure of angle OBC is also 30 degree. From that we can say BO is the angle bisector of angle ABC. Student, you can see how to draw angle bisector. Now we can study the property of angle bisector of triangle. For study the property, we draw any triangle like PQR and we construct all angles bisector of this triangle. Here these three angles and these are the angle bisectors of this triangle. From this figure what we see? We see that all three bisectors pass through the same point. That is the point we give the name I. All three bisectors pass through the same point. From that is they are concurrent. And what is concurrent? Concurrent line in standard 6th. What is the definition of concurrent line? If when two or more lines intersect in a single point, then that lines are called concurrent line and that point is called point of concurrence. Here I is the point of concurrence and these three bisectors are concurrent bisectors. Here is the bisector and they are concurrent, and there where they pass through the same point, the point is called point of concurrence, that is I. Here I is the point of concurrence and this point is called in center, or it is denoted by, or it is shown by the letter I. Here one point is also note. What is the point? The point of concurrence of the angle bisectors of triangle is in the interior of triangle. This is the point to be noted because we study the property of angle bisector of triangle, and where the angle bisectors intersect and whether they are concurrent and whether their point of concurrence is lie, where it is lie, it is very important to study. So point of concurrence is lies in the interior of triangle. Here IA, IB and IC are perpendicular from I to the sides of triangle PQ, QR and PR respectively, and from we can say or note this point that IA, IB and IC are of in equal length. They have equal length. From that we say three sides of triangle are equidistant from this point. This property is also study about right angle triangle and obtuse angle triangle. Here is also point of concurrence lies in the interior of triangle. If you draw angle bisector of these two type of triangle, first we learn about acute angle triangle and their point of concurrence or in center is in the interior of triangle. Here point of concurrence of angle bisector in right angle triangle or in obtuse angle triangle are also lies in the interior of triangle. In this way we learn the property the angle bisector of triangle are concurrent, whether the triangle is acute angle triangle or right angle triangle or obtuse angle triangle, and their point of concurrence is also lies in the interior of triangle, and their point of concurrence is called incenter and it is denoted by the letter I. In this way student will learn the property of angle bisector of triangle. Now if you see the second part, you before this video I said about that how to see the second part. So if you like this video, like it, share it and subscribe it, and click on bell icon for getting notification.